Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I thought it's about time I give you a little garden tour and a few updates on the trees of previous videos. I'll show you the work that I've been doing and the work that needs to come, because I've got a few big trees to do. Then by the time this goes out, you can maybe leave a comment and see which big tree you want doing. So with no further ado, let's get out there and have a look. To start it off, look at me tomatoes, beauties. Not many cucumbers left because the kids had them all. There's the Avatar Rock Mountain, like floating mountain. Slip pot didn't do it any harm. Got to work on the hawthorn, put on loads of growth. Bonsai Junior stuff. I love when these horse chestnut. The leaves are tiny on it. I should have kept that. As you can see, work's being done on the bench. The junipers need a pinch back. I've got them turned round. There's work to be done on the juniper. My little Chinese juniper. That's a big Chinese juniper. Cascade larch, once a prune back, which I might just do a couple of these off video. But the main bench is pretty good. The elm and the privet. It's well, videos of pruning them, but there's no talking in it, the same as the cork bark elm. But they've had a prune. Even the first has had a prune, but years at years come back with a vengeance. The one on the left, that one. The redwoods, I'm thinking about creating one big forest with them, with all the cuttings. That's pretty much it. All the scrub oak after its prunes, putting out new woods already opening up. There's the oak. So that's it pretty much on the main bench. Got this big fella to prune. Add some shape back in there for the boss, ex-boss. Just wants a little haircut, the big privet, but it needs the dead wood treating. Just need to let it dry out a bit because we've had rain. Didn't know I was on cinematic. Mixed forest groups to do. The large forest being done, you've seen the video on that one. Pine that prune back the tenuti. Just let the shoots go, get long. So there'll be something to work with in the winter. But that was back to nothing really. So that's done well. There's a twisty larch in the back, which I need to start making branch selection. This bench, all sorts to do. Hawthorns, larches, contoniestas, or cotton estes as I like to call them. The holly. And we'll walk around the corner and then we'll start again. Oh no. I just want to prune these in the bed. The large forest I've done. I had 2 trees die off in the back, which I can replace in the winter. Or I might just make one big forest again. The black pine cuttings doing well. We've had 2 tragedies. The rest are okay. The hawthorns has got a little bit sunburn on, but there's a bud at the back of the leaf, so I want to prune anyway and branch selecting, so that's to come. The other one suffers a little bit more on the bottom, because with the trees on the left there's no shade, so I need to move them. But other than that, there's a canny bit to do. Here's the buxus. Little update on the buxus. Slow growing, but it's getting there. Want another light pruning. Well, that's the buxus for an update. The little twisty pines over the back. Got loads of buds on this year, so we're going to be getting selecting. The azalea, I'm a bit late, but I should have repotted it. I'll just give it a prune for this year. And make some branch selecting or a bit wire on. Right, there's apples and everything over the back. In a yoke. This hawthorn is okay. Doesn't get the sun directly in the morning up to the right of me. So he's doing alright. Nice small leaves on this. Then we've got this large forest, what I first done. This needs another prune. I gave it a prune last year off camera. That's how it's got some ramification, but needs a good prune. In fact, it wants a better spot, because I dare bet the trees at the back will be bare. So that might be getting changed. And we'll come around to a few yews and bits and bobs. So a fair bit to do. Got this big redwood to do. These are the backs. I'll show you when I go up the top of the forest. And just the flowers off the privet. It's been hanging washing out and it's knocking it. Oh, basher. And not to get started in this corner. This is me large Tenoki. Wants a good prune. Branch selecting now because the branches are getting too big and pick it later. I might have to do that in the bed, but what I'll do is I'll clean the full bed out and I'll prune all the trees in there in a video. We'll go around to the dog pen. I've got the 2 big hawthorns to work on. I'll miss the areas on the beach, so that can happen next year. You might get attacked by a duck when we go up there. You reckon, son? There's the 2 privets. Just seen the videos on. We'll go around to the right and we'll come round. Oh, there he is. What do you want? What do you want? Are you sure? Are you sure? Get your wings out. Hey. Yep, that time of year. So I have this seed at the prune back. It also needs the wiring taken off its head. I think it's a seed Deodora, or grows really quick. So the wire's starting to bite in. I need to get that off and and get it pruned back and leave it for a year, I think. If the branches drop, I'll just rewire it the opposite direction. So there's that. Right, you get back in that pond. Come on, get in. Good lad. There's a junior off there that's got to play with. I think Bonsai Junior might be able to play with that once he's finished cricket. It's nearly done. My big U is hours of work in that. Just taking off the old needles. But what I'll do is, I might just record a series of videos and put it all together in between videos. So if I get bored one night and I just want to play, I'll just record it without talking and that, then I'll put it all together. But it's ready. Lovely tree that, same as the cider. So there's the privets, we've seen them. Come round to the right. Scottish larch. That's what I call a Scottish larch. It's a Japanese larch. I think all the new extensions on it. So that'll be left to grow this year. We've got a dead branch in the back there, but we can replace it with these extensions. And in the winter, I'll add some more shape into that tree. I've got a pine that should be getting done now. It's stopped growing, so we can cut back to where we want it. Just don't know where to start with it yet. Little arches, which I might create one big forest out of. There's the redwood. Sorry about the light. It's nice and powerful. So that needs doing. Little larch group. Mickey's wants pruning. Here's an update on the slate forest. What I might do is build a box at that angle. A deep box. Put it on there, put them in, let them grow for a couple of years so they get a better hold of the roots and add more trees. 2 died when we planted the forest at the back there, but another 2's died since. So I want more trees in it anyways. So come the winter, could be box built there, more trees added and deeper into the soil to hold them better. The juniper. That one's a pinchback. I've got something similar to that down in that bottom corner over there, near the net and the table. Might be able to see if I can put a bend in like that and give it its first styling later on the year. Something to play with. So, that's it for Bonsai garden here at Horton. So that was it just for a tour to show you a couple of updates. If I've missed any, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll get them next time. As you can see, there's a lot of work to do. Not enough time to do it, but we'll have to make time. Obviously, it needs it. If you want to pick a trade, pick one, and if we get time, we'll get that done first. Out of all the big ones. The U, I'm going to leave that for later on because that's a big job, that. But I might do it in between takes. Right, that's it for this video. Thanks for sticking around and having a look at my garden. It's been a pleasure to show you. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!